welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very fun cleaning slash minimalism video for you guys. This is a household products, where to save and where to splurge. Okay, I was just thinking how I said this was a really fun video and now I'm talking about house cleaning products, but for me it is fun to really minimalize what I've got going on in my house. And so I've really figured out what are sort of the best products that I need to keep my house clean, and some of them are expensive and some of them are really cost effective. So I just thought I would share it with you guys. This little selection really covers pretty much what I use almost every day, and this is really the only stuff I use. So yeah, I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm going to start off with the splurges because they're probably more fun. So the first one I want to talk about is the vacuum. This is the Dyson Animal battery powered one. I'll put the link below on like exactly which one this is, but basically we have 2 dogs and a toddler, and the one dog sheds a lot, so there's a lot of dog hair all over the place, and then just like general mess. And we also have white carpets. Yep, so we definitely needed a good vacuum. We've actually had this one, we got it when we got married. I know, so romantic. So we've had it about 5 years and it's been awesome. I absolutely love it. I don't have a single criticism about the Dyson. It's super easy to use, it's really lightweight, and most importantly it actually gets the dirt and dog hair out of the carpet. So that's the most important thing to me. By the way, you can hear my dog whining in this video. It also comes with a million different attachments, so you can use it to like clean the car seat, all those different things. I do have just one complaint about it, and that is that the battery is not the longest life battery that there is. So for me, it can cover like most of the house, but if I'm really doing a full house cleaning, I'll probably have to stop and plug it in halfway. But we do have a lot of carpets in our house, and that is one negative about the vacuum, but it's fine. I get around it and I love this vacuum. The other splurge I want to talk about is also related to carpet cleaning, and that is this Folex carpet cleaner. When we got our carpets installed, this is what our carpet guy recommended to use. This is expensive. I think it was almost like $15 or $20 for the bottle, but this is the best thing for stains. I don't know about you guys, but our dogs just like do the craziest freaking things on the carpets, and you know, the baby, everything just, yeah, spills happen. But this product has been so good at getting the stains out. If you do want a save for carpets, the OxiClean Stain and Odor Eliminator for dogs is also really, really good. I would still say this one is better, but this one is good and a lot less expensive. The only other splurge item I have are Brillo pads. I don't know if I would really call this a splurge. When I was planning this video, I really thought about like what's expensive for what you're getting versus what's cheap for what you're getting. So I think Brillo pads in terms of like cleaning stuff are on the more expensive side, but for what they do, they're totally worth it. So if I need to like really deep clean our pots and pans and stuff, Brillo pads are like the only thing that actually works for me. Okay, then everything else is a save. I want to show you guys this mop. I got this for $30 on Amazon. I'll link it below. If you guys have watched my cleaning videos, you know that I hate using chemical products. Like, aside from a really bad stain on the carpet or something, I just avoid them altogether. I just really like having like a natural chemical-free home. So what I love about this spray mop is you can create your own solution to put it in here, and you can wash these pads. They come off really easily. So we used to use Swiffers, and I just realized it was so wasteful and I hated all that chemicals all over the house. So now we just make our own solution, mostly just like vinegar and water, or sometimes I'll use a little bit of like oil on the wood floors, and then these just get washed. I love this mop, can't recommend it enough. If you guys watch Louise Pentland's Sprinkle of Glitter on YouTube, she has what's called the Mop of Dreams, and it's super similar and it definitely inspired me. I was just looking for a cheaper version of it, so that's why I found this one. And then my other save item, I've talked about these before. These are like microbial, bacterial, etc. sponges, and I have different colors for different things so that like I don't wash my son's like items with the same sponges I'm using to clean like dirty dishes with like uncooked meat or whatever. So yeah, I love that. These are super inexpensive on Amazon. You can put them in the dishwasher and reuse them 100 times. So this is a great save for house cleaning. The next thing I want to talk about for house cleaning are e-cloths. I'm sure you guys have heard of these before, but basically I don't clean with paper towels anymore. I rarely use them. I just use these and then I put them in the dishwasher. not the dishwasher. I put them in the washing machine, so it saves money on buying paper towels. It's much better for the environment, and I just think it actually does a better job, so love these. And then my very last thing is a save, and that is my homemade cleaning solution, which is mostly just distilled vinegar, distilled white vinegar, and water. That's what I use every day on my countertops for just like everyday cleaning and little messes, and it works perfectly. I don't think there's anything cheaper in terms of cleaning products, and I love it because it's chemical free. So that is my super quick and fun save versus splurge minimalist cleaning house products, etc. I'll think of hopefully a better name for this in the title. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it inspired your house cleaning. And yeah, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you next time. Bye!